In the shocking, sensational case of conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar, more chats have now come, and this time it appears that this was between Sukesh Chandrasekhar and actor Nora Fatehi. Accessed by India Today, Nora Fatehi discussing luxury car selections with the conman. As it appears from the conversations, it says that Sukesh Chandrasekhar spoke about and to Nora about a Range Rover Discovery Sport, asking, "Do you like this luxury vehicle, Nora?" To which she does reply that yes, it is a nice rough-use car and it is a Range Rover, so it is cute and a statement car to make. This is one part of the conversation that has come in with actor Nora Fatehi, but they are discussing further options about the Range Rover. Is that correct? I would highly appreciate if you could speak for a minute. This is another conversation to clarify everything. Also, I hope you are not wondering, Sukesh Chandrasekhar says, why this gift is being given to you. And I just think your agency could be wondering, making it very clear that it is being given with no intention or any kind of motive. This gift to you is being given only because you like a person, you do gift them as you want. So doing it just for that reason, nothing else. So these are some of the aspects of the conversations that have come in. Remember, actor Nora Fatehi has already been summoned a few times by the Enforcement Directorate, and now more gifts discussions are popping up and could prove trouble for Nora Fatehi. So, of course, another chat. Now, remember why this is significant is because we do know, and it is already in the public domain, that Nora Fatehi was gifted luxury vehicles. There were videos that were out, some of the videos posted by Nora Fatehi herself back then, not realizing how it could actually land her up in this situation. She has been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate a few times, but with these conversations, it could prove to become further trouble. My colleague Munish Pandey tracking all the latest. Munish, why would this conversation of discussing luxury cars is important? Because I understand there's more than one conversation. He's trying to mention that I'm just giving it to you as a friend, but a friend gifting a Range Rover, asking for discussion on that does appear quite strange.
Yeah, well, Pooja, as far as this entire investigation is concerned, at least two Bollywood actresses, Jacqueline Fernandez and Nora Fatehi, they seems to have received the proceeds of crime in form of gifts. Now, what ED is claiming at this point of time is that these gifts were given to these Bollywood actresses from the money which was being extorted from a businessman's wife by Sukesh Chandrasekhar. Now, Nora Fatehi gifted a BMW car which was delivered in Mumbai worth more than 1 crore rupees, and now Nora Fatehi has been already questioned by the ED. Now, Nora Fatehi has claimed that this was given by Sukesh Chandrasekhar's wife, Leena Maria Paul, in exchange of an event which was organized in Chennai. As far as Jacqueline Fernandez is concerned, it is not only limited to 3 luxury cars, but also expensive gifts worth more than 10 crore rupees, right from horse to 4 Persian cats to diamond-studded jewelries. Many gifts were given to Jacqueline Fernandez, and it becomes important because ED has a task to investigate the case, but also to recover the proceeds of crime. And this becomes important because this was the extorted money by Sukesh Chandrasekhar, so they have to recover this money, and this is why all these luxury cars and expensive
where does this place Nora Fatehi, Munish? Where does it place Jacqueline Fernandez? Two actors of the film industry, both of them are in the ED radar. Do you think the discussion of luxury car could actually become a problem for Nora Fatehi, or this could just be a tip of the iceberg? And what was luxury cars? How was it given? Why was it given? That is something that Nora Fatehi may just have to answer more.
Yeah, well, Pooja, this is absolutely a tip of iceberg because not only Jacqueline and Nora Fatehi, at least 10 Bollywood celebrities are under scanner of Enforcement Directorate, and we have been given to understand by our sources within the Enforcement Directorate that they will be summoned within a week or so. They will be called for questioning because they have received gifts from Sukesh Chandrasekhar. They have met Sukesh Chandrasekhar while he was in jail. As far as Nora Fatehi is concerned, she is someone who received gift for attending an event. So she is not a suspect in the case. She was not aware that it was from the extorted money. But of course, ED has a task to recover the money. That is why the car which she received from Sukesh Chandrasekhar, that car will be attached. Apart from that, an iPhone mobile phone was also given to Noora Fateh. But as far as Jacqueline Fernandez is concerned, because she not only received expensive gifts worth more than 10 crore rupees, but also she traveled in chartered flights, chartered planes. She traveled. The money was given to siblings of Jacqueline Fernandez. So recovering that money is going to be important. That is why Jacqueline has not been given clean chit. She cannot fly outside India, and she is still under suspicion of enforcement directorate.
So crores of rupees of gifts being given, and this time here a shocking and sensational chart of discussing Range Rovers, vehicles, luxury cars. At this point, remember, it's not just about cars or gifts. This is about one person who's conned many influential people, extortion money racket. That is what is being labelled against him, and we'll continue to bring you up to speed with how this man, just 32 years of age and has been doing it for years now, in and out of prison. Absolutely shocking details emerging every single day about Sukesh Chandrasekhar.